Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Ruike P-128 SF here with me for a quick unboxing video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's do this quick unboxing here. You've got the box with an external box protector, let's say, and then you open this box, kind of like Apple iPhone style, and you've got your paperwork, your warranty, I'm assuming, and a nicely cut out foam insert right here to contain snugly your Ruike knives. And this is the P-128 SF. It's a stainless steel handle knife, so it's not going to be like extremely light. Overall length of this guy is going to be around 8.5 inches with a 3.75 inch long blade. It's going to be around $40. It's made in China. It's a stainless steel frame lock. It has a safety lock right over here, so in the open position you're just going to be able to engage this lock, which is locking the lock. So it's going to add an extra layer of safety to this knife for sure. Made in China. It has a 14C28N steel blade with this nice harpoon style going on, full belly. There's also like a very interesting level of internal skeletonization, especially on the presentation side. Sound is snappy, the action is interesting. The weight in the pocket of this guy is going to be 5.6 ounces, so not the lightest of them all. It has a deep carry stainless steel pocket clip. There's no jimping going on whatsoever. You have a nice G10 backspacer, and overall, I mean, it's a pretty decent looking knife. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.